Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Realme Narzo 50. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If you want to enable the dual WhatsApp, or you can say a second WhatsApp in your device, like you already have one but you want to download another one, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can enable the dual WhatsApp in your device Realme Narzo 50.